Recent studies have shown that people have three main dreams that they would like to see come true. The first is to travel the world and learn about the most cultures possible. This dream makes sense due to the large quantity of young people in their population. Young people are always eager to experience new things. The second most recorded dream is to buy a car. Again, many people long to experience new things, and a car makes that much easier. Furthermore, a car gives us a sense of freedom that everyone appreciates. Lastly, the third dream is to buy their own house, completing the cycle of exploring, experiencing new things, and returning to your own space. Dreaming can be very good for you, even when you don't have the means to make your dreams come true. The human being amounts to a group of energy-creating cells, piloted by a brain. So the act of dreaming can be very beneficial, as long as we know what to do with our dreams. If we dream of traveling the world, the first thing we need to do is plan things out. This is an important step due to the fact that it gives us a goal to work towards, which makes us more motivated. It also puts our dream in motion and brings us closer to achieving them. Planning out our dreams is also an effective way to balance our energy. When we're happy, satisfied, motivated, and have good feelings in our heart, the energy that surrounds us is good and attracts good things into our lives. This energy might even help us reach our dreams. So in order to achieve your dreams, positive thinking is crucial. Try to exercise your positive thinking by surrounding yourself with information that has to do with your dream. Look for pictures and read testimonies of people who achieved their dreams. Try imagining yourself at the moment when you reach your goal. All of this helps keep you motivated and greatly helps your mental health. In the meantime, don't let yourself be consumed by your dreams. Don't stop living because you are dreaming too much. That is exactly the opposite of what is supposed to happen. If time keeps passing and nothing changes, you may feel as if your life isn't moving forwards and experience feelings of anxiety. So after your dream is all planned out, put it in motion. Do everything in your power to achieve the thing you want so badly. Do you want to travel to Europe but don't have any money? Start studying English or another language that you like. There are several online courses you can take, and along the way you'll have learned another language and opened other doors of opportunity due to your newfound knowledge. After all, dreaming is free. What is your dream? What are you doing to reach it? Tell us about it in the comments section.